Welcome to Saw Masters, where every sharp blade tells a story of strength, ingenuity and creativity. This is the world of those who turn wood into masterpieces. The roar of the engine, mixed with the sound of iron chains pulling wood, creates a song of labor in the middle of nature. The saw is compact yet powerful, starting up with a crisp sound, like an artisan preparing for his work.
Все четенько. Здесь промежуток. И здесь у нас.
When the work is finished, the saw stops, but its gentle sound still echoes like a tribute to nature.
О, кстати, легко идет.
They were cutting down a tree that was jutting out 20 meters above the highway below. If they cut the tree like that, it would fall onto the road and block traffic, so they calculated that it would fall towards the mountainside and used tools to cut it down. When felling a tree near a highway, it's challenging to precisely control the direction of the fall. If not calculated properly, or due to strong winds, the tree may fall onto the road, endangering passing traffic. Cutting down a large Douglas fir, Linsam, with a Skeetel MS462 chainsaw is an impressive display of power, precision, and skill. The Douglas fir, with its towering height and dense wood, presents a formidable challenge. The Skeetel MS462, known for its lightweight design and exceptional power-to-weight ratio, the saw easily powers through the thick, fibrous wood, thanks to its high engine speed and superior torque. The operator maintains steady pressure, allowing the saw to do most of the work, cutting deeply into the trunk. With the notch complete, the back cut begins. The saw moves through the tree's massive girth with remarkable efficiency, its anti-vibration system ensuring the operator maintains full control. As the final cut nears completion, the tree begins to creak and sway. The operator steps back, watching as the Douglas fir slowly tips in the intended direction. With a thunderous crash, the giant tree meets the forest floor, branches snapping as it settles into its new position. Next, let's look at the John Deere 1010G. John Deere 1010G forwarder is a highly efficient and powerful forestry machine, designed specifically for transporting logs in challenging terrain. Part of John Deere's G-Series, the 1010G combines advanced technology with strong build quality to enhance both productivity and operator comfort in forestry operations. The 1010G has a payload capacity of around 11,000 kilograms, 24,251 pounds, making it ideal for medium-scale logging tasks. Its sturdy structure allows it to transport heavy loads of timber with ease, even on rough and uneven forest floors. The John Deere 1010G is a versatile, durable, and intelligent machine that enhances productivity in forestry work, making it a popular choice among loggers for medium-sized timber operations. The carpenter needs to understand different types of wood and adjust the power and cutting technique accordingly to ensure safety and efficiency. Compared to traditional saws, chainsaws allow for faster work while maintaining precision, especially when large quantities of wood need to be cut in a short amount of time. Thank you for watching Saw Masters, where art and power meet. See you in the next videos, where we continue our journey to honor the masters and the best saws.